Have you ever wondered why fish dishes hold a special place in culinary traditions worldwide? Today we're embarking on a journey through the global kitchen, exploring top freshwater fish dishes that boast unique cooking methods and tantalizing flavor profiles. Get ready to dive into the world of freshwater delicacies. First stop, Finland, with its mouth-watering loimilohi. This traditional Finnish delight starts with a fresh salmon or rainbow trout. The fish is then lovingly seasoned with sea salt and can be enhanced with a drizzle of lemon juice, a brush of honey, or a sprinkle of crushed juniper berries. It's then placed on a wooden plank and smoked to perfection over an open fire. The distance from the coals dictates the cooking time, infusing the fish with a rich, smoky flavor. Imagine savoring this smoky fish straight off the plank by a lakeside campfire. Next we jet off to Bengal for the iconic Shorsha Eilish. This traditional Bengali dish showcases Eilish fish, lovingly simmered in a thick, aromatic broth. The secret lies in the ground mustard seeds and vibrant green chili peppers, mixed with a generous splash of mustard oil. Add in a dash of turmeric and cumin, and perhaps a dollop of yogurt or milk to mellow the heat. This concoction creates a rich, tangy sauce that envelops the tender fish. Perfect when served with steaming hot rice, this dish is a festival of flavors on your palate. Finally, we explore the Croatian countryside with Saran u Raseljama. Nestled in the serene region of Baranja, this dish celebrates the robust flavor of carp, a freshwater favorite. Here, the fish is ingeniously secured in a divining rod and gently roasted over crackling wood fire. This method not only cooks the carp to perfection but also imparts a distinctive smokiness that is as intoxicating as the landscape itself. This dish is a true testament to the rustic and rich culinary traditions of Croatia. What an incredible journey through the flavors of freshwater fish. We savored Finland's loimilohi, Bengal's spicy Shorsha Eilish, and Croatia's aromatic Saran u Raseljama, each weaving a tale of tradition and taste. Each dish offers a glimpse into the heritage and culinary innovation of region. Which one would you love to try first? Don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your choice. Subscribe for more delicious content like this.